in Southwestern Virginia here. This is about early August. A bunch of rain had come through. There's actually been a lot of flooding here in this part of Virginia and eastern Kentucky. And we're going to check out a few waterfalls here. They're flowing really well after all this rain. This first one here that we're going to check out is Little Stony Falls. It's pretty popular. A lot of people come here and swim too in the summertime. Nobody's here today. It's still actually raining just a little bit. You can see it there flowing really, really well. We're going to get down, get a closer look at it here before we move on to the next waterfall. I've never been here to Little Stony when it was just barely flowing. It's always flowing pretty good, at least anytime I've ever been. I'm sure sometimes in the heart of summer on some dry times there it really slows down, but I've also never been here and it's been flowing this much. It was really roaring today when we were here. We're going to head out from Little Stony, about an hour or so drive down from Little Stony Falls to the next one, which is Tank Hollow Falls. I think Tank Hollow Falls is more impressive than Little Stony, but you got to come at the right time. So I've been to Tank Hollow Falls before, and it's just barely a trickle, but today it was flowing really good. It looked really impressive today. Not easy to get up here, but this is on top of Tank Hollow Falls. It's real hard to get up here on muddy days like today, but there's another little smaller falls up here. I guess this is Upper Tank Hollow Falls. This is it right here. Still looks really good too, but nothing like the lower falls down below. That's it for these waterfalls. We just wanted to check them out after all this rain we've had. Several days of heavy, hard rains here in early August in Southwest Virginia. But the waterfalls were looking good and flowing well. We just wanted to check them out. I'm gonna head on out of here.